a massacre is occurring in Libya by the orders of Muammar Gaddafi. The world to take the following actions. 1. To establish a no-fly zone in order to stop Gaddafi from shelling Libyans by his air, planes, and by his gas and chemical weapons. 2. To recognize the newly established Interim National Council. Our country, Canada, was always the leader in any peace efforts and stands for justice, and yet is now silent and possibly waiting for other countries to issue the order for us to recognize Libya's newly established Interim National Council. The children and youth cannot stay in the current position of the current Canadian government. Our children and youth began to recall their knowledge of Canadian history. The history that illustrated the glory of Canada in its peacekeeping efforts, strong stands for justice and other world matters. Due to the current position of the Canadian government in not acting promptly on the above-mentioned 2 requests, the children and youth are starting to question the loyalty of the current Canadian leaders to Canada. They are comparing what they learned in history class with the positions that Canada is taking on current world matters, which they are witnessing. What is happening in Libya is a massacre by the use of all types of weapons, permissible and forbidden by international law. Starvation could happen also. Time is critical and immediate action is needed. We at the Canadian Libyan Human Rights Committee, along with the Libyan community in Canada, supporting the demand of the Libyan people inside Libya, are asking the truly Canadian citizens to demand from the current Canadian government to 1. Call to establish a no-fly zone over Libya's airspace, and 2. Recognize the newly formed Interim National Council as a legitimate government instead of the Gaddafi regime. Thank you.